What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my sofa couch that I'm going to turn into a 4D movie experience. If you're interested in turning your sofa couch into a 4D movie experience, stay tuned. Now most living rooms have pre-existing cables in the wall leading up into the attic. Go ahead and attach the speaker wire using black electric tape to that pre-existing cable and then go into your attic and pull up on that cable. The speaker wire should pull up with it using that black electric tape. Drop the speaker wires down the wall where the sofa couch is and connect it to the speaker plate. Then go ahead and remove the staples underneath your sofa couch using needle nose pliers. After removing the material, then that should expose the wooden frame of the couch. Now I'm using Dayton 50 watt bass shakers. I'm actually only using one. I bought two, but I only needed to use one, and I'm using wood screws to mount it toward the center of the couch. Go ahead and connect the black wire to the black negative lead on the bass shaker and the red positive wire to the red connector on the bass shaker. From this point, you could go ahead and staple up the material to the couch. Next, go ahead and expose a 1/4 inch of the speaker wire. Go ahead and fold it over and install the Amazon Basics speaker connector banana plugs. Keep in mind the black connector and the black stripe on the speaker wire is the negative, and the red connector goes to the positive wire. It should look something like this. So the bass shakers are going to be connected to this sub amp. And the model number on this sub amp is NS-03G sub. You can control the intensity of the bass shakers by raising and lowering the volume control. Or if you want, you can completely turn off the bass shakers anytime you want. You can also connect this sub amp to a smart power outlet so you can remotely turn it on and off. Back here are the connections for the sub amp. This is the input, 3.5 audio input, and that's coming from your surround sound sub output. This is my 2.1 stereo tube amp. I have two Polka Audio ceiling speakers connected to this amp and sub out to the sub amp. And these connections right here are going to the bass shakers that are installed in your couch. This right here is the DC power input. The RCA to 3.5 audio cable to aux input. And then we're going to connect the red speaker wire to the red port and the black negative speaker wire to the negative black speaker port. And then last, always last, is plug in the power. Make sure it's turned off when you do so. And we're going to plug in the power. All the connections to the sub amp should look like this. Then let's go ahead and turn it on. You'll see a red light letting you know that it is powered on. And so when you're using the smart outlet, they'll let you know if it's on or off. And then you can set the volume control to 50 or 75%, which I think is plenty strong enough to shake the whole couch. Now from my experience, the bass shakers work best in movies like Jurassic Park. Alright, so now we're going to do an audio sweep and I'll let you know which frequency triggers the bass shakers. 25 Hertz, it feels a little bit more intense. 30 Hertz, it's getting stronger. 35 Hertz, it is getting stronger. 40 Hertz, it's starting to decline. 45 Hertz, the bass shakers are starting to decline. 50 Hertz, it's still declining. So thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you know anyone that might be interested in turning their sofa couch into a 4D movie experience, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. If you guys are interested in any of these products, check out the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching.